gorgeous? Ready to try this easy summer look? Let's get started. As always, start with a clean face and start by grabbing your facial serum or any primer and apply that all over your face. Alright, time to foundation. With my Maybelline Superstay foundation, I'm just going to dot the product on my face, and I'm just going to blend it using my foundation brush. If you have any blemishes, dark circles, or dark under eye, like myself here, you can use a nice concealer to cover those imperfections. Let's move on to the brows. Using a spoolie, brush your brow hair upwards for a bushier look. Gotta have that eyebrows on fleek. Fill in your brows, just get your brow brush and load it up and fill it in. Nope, we're not done yet. Now, here's a technique to add volume and length to your brows. Grab a brow mascara or even your mascara that's meant for your lashes. That's also good to try sometimes. And just brush your brow hair upward. Let's finally move on to the eyes. Put a white or nude color to your lids, because this will help the transition color to be more visible, especially if you're going to use a light eyeshadow. Now, using a peach color, load up your brush and start blending onto your crease area. Gently drag it down to your middle lid. You know the drill, girls. Blending is key, so make sure to blend it nicely. Using your fingertip, put a tiny amount of concealer or foundation cream at the middle of your lids. Now top it off with a rose gold color to be more visible and brings color to your eyes. Now, go ahead and blend it with your eyeshadow brush so there will be no harsh lines. Moving on to the highlight of this makeup look, I'm using my lip and cheek tint for a natural sun-kissed blush look on my cheeks. Just add a dot on your cheeks and blend it using your fingertips for a natural looking blush. Well, you can also add more and just drag the product to the bridge of your nose for a drunk blush look. Well, if you still want an extra color to your face, you can use any bronzer or contour powder and start contouring your nose to create definition to your nose and to your cheekbone as well. This will also create an illusion of a slimmer face. And because I'm not yet satisfied with my drunk blush look, I'm going to add more tint on my cheeks. I'm also going to use the same tint on my lip as well. With my fingertip, I'm putting a little amount on my upper lip. I love this technique when I only put tint more on my lower lip. Having a nice eyelash curler is one of the beauty holy grails. So here, I'm just curling my lashes. Let's refresh our look by adding some highlight on the points of your face where we want some highlight to pop. Well, over highlight on your face is really in this summer. And as you can see, I'm using a highlighter stick as much as possible because it's summertime and we want the highlight to be more natural looking. And we want some dewy look this summer, right? Very nice. So that is it guys for my summer look. I hope you liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Stay confident. Bye guys.